what were you arrested for?
Aggravated assault.
Aggravated assault.
With a deadly weapon, yes.
I'd like to see the complaint. You were arrested, spent 24 hours in jail. Were you given a summons, Mr. Sachs, for having your dog off leash?
No, Your Honor. I spoke to...
That's hysterical. That's actually hysterical. The person who precipitated this whole incident wasn't even admonished by giving him a ticket for having his dog off leash.
Your Honor, I spoke to the officer that arrested Mr. Durfee, and I explained to him that prior to my knowledge, there was no signage in the park saying that dogs must be on leash. The officer explained to me that it's a West Valley City ordinance that dogs do.
Yes, listen to me. I don't give a rat's behind what the officer said to you. It was the law. You disregarded it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Can I see the dismissal of the case, please,
Yes.
that happened a year later? You paid a lawyer $5,000 to represent you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You have the bill?
I do.
I'd like to see it.
I also have the police report, Your Honor, that says Mr. Durfee was unable to explain to the police how my dog was being aggressive.
I just told you how. I just told you how. And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I told you was an accurate description of what happened that day. Listen, I'm 81 years old. Been there a dozen times. Schlemiels who left their big dogs off leash should be punished if they threaten somebody else. Now, threatening is in the mind of that person, not your dog. When an 80-pound animal is running up to you, you don't know what to expect. Don't you get that?
I understand, Your Honor.
Well, I'm glad you understand it, so don't make any excuses for it.
Your Honor, I don't have that receipt. It was not in my packet.
It's right here.
Okay.
$49.80.
Oh, it was there.
So you're going to pay his counsel fees. And what Mr. Durfee is suing for is $10,000. If I could award you more for spending 24 hours in jail, is that what you spent in jail?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
24 hours?
Yes, Your Honor.
Believe me, I would award you more.
Thank you.
You have a counterclaim. Your claim is that this whole incident caused you serious emotional distress.
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't care. Nobody cares. You caused your own emotional distress. You allowed an 80-pound animal that you may know is friendly and wouldn't hurt a fly be put in a situation where it almost got shot. You did that. You're the parent. And then you blame him? Is he awake? What did you bring him for? I'm awake. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $10,000. Your counterclaim's dismissed. We're finished here.
Thank you, Your Honor.